Okay, so part 2 for solving rational inequalities. 3x plus 1 over x plus 2, this time that is greater than or equal to 2. So you need to consider the following steps. So the first one there is equate or write it in the form of n of x over d of x, which is greater than or equal to 0. So 0 ni diri dapat. So therefore, we need to transpose 2 to the left side. So inig-transpose aning 2 din mahimo na siyang negative 2. And this part here will be equal to 0. So since kailangan man ta makuha ninyo og LCD, no? So the LCD is x plus 2, so that is x plus 2 divided by x plus 2, cancel out. So you just have to simply bring down the numerator. And then x plus 2, that is multiplied by negative 2. And all you have to do is distribute this one. So that is negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4. So we have to combine like terms. 3x minus 2x is just equal to x. And 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Okay? So from that, nahimo na siyang n of x over d of x, which is greater than or equal to 0. So this will be our new solution now. Mo na siya ato ang bag-o nga solution. Ha? So the second step is we need to equate the numerator and the denominator to 0. So x minus 3 is equal to 0. We need to find the value of x. Therefore, we have to transpose negative 3 to the right side, and that will become positive 3. So this is one of our critical values now. The second one, the denominator is x plus 2 equals 0. So find the value of x, just transpose 2 to the right side. And since that is positive, iniglabang niya sa equal sign, that will become negative 2. So our critical values are 3 and negative 2. O na nato ang critical values. So the third step is we have to put these critical values on a number line. Number line, the midpoint is 0. To the left side of 0 is have negative 1, negative 2. Right side is 1, 2, and 3. Mo ani muhang critical points. So ang sunod ana is we have to assign values which is before negative 2, between ana niya, we also have after 3. So asa man ang number before niya? So that is negative 3. Maingon kay taog before, that is to the left. Maingon pud ta og between tunga, pero maingon ta og after is that is to the right. So between niya, again, it can be, we can have negative 1.5, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. But to make it easy for us, I prefer to use 0. Mas dali magud ang 0 is substitute. No? So if ang imong x 0, dali ra kay siya. So we can have 0 in between, and after 3 is 4, which is the closest number, right after 3. Next to that is we need to have that table, no? So analysis table. You have here your x. Asa man ang mga x diya? We have negative 3, negative 2, 0, 3, and 4. The numerator here, in this part, this is n of x. It is over d of x. So for n of x, dili na ta ani nga solution. Okay? Ari ta sa bag-o. Kani siya class, mao na ni nga bag-ong solution. So for n of x, the numerator is x minus 3. The denominator is x plus 2. So equals. Atoa dayong i-substitute ang atoang mga first is the critical values. Kani ato ni siyang unahon. Negative 2, kani pong 3. So when negative 2, ato na siya i-substitute diri, that will become 0. And any number divided by 0. So ay sa inyong calculator. Pagbutang diha og bisag unsa nga number, then divide it by 0, the result is error. And in here, 3, ato i-substitute dire, 3 minus 3, that is 0. and 0 divided by any number that is 0. Mao na siya class ha. Sunod is humana ang ato ang critical points. Here, we will follow here. So just take the sign if it is either negative or positive. Negative 3 minus 3 is negative 6, so that is negative. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1, so that is also negative. Okay? So negative divide by negative, division man na diha. Over man na. So negative divide negative, positive siya. Also 0. So 0 minus 3 is negative, 0 plus 2 is positive. Unlike signs, i-divide na niya, negative na. Dayon 4 minus 3 is positive, 4 plus 2 is positive. So positive times positive is positive. Okay? So mauni siya ato ang basihan pagkuha sa ato ang final answer or to get the solution set. So take note here. So that is greater than or equal to 0 man ang naka-indicate. So unsa may mo satisfy ani niya? Greater than or equal to 0. So ang mo satisfy diha is only the positive numbers. Kunya equal to 0 man, so apil ang 0. So therefore, kani diri nga part positive is satisfied. Error automatic, that is not satisfied. Then negative also is not satisfied. Pero ang 0, appeal man ang 0. So 0 is satisfied and positive is also satisfied. So may gamiton ani satisfied or not satisfied, sir. So balik ra gyud ta sa number line class. First arito sa before niya. Kung satisfied gyud na ang before niya, daraman ang imuhang critical point ha, di man imo ni critical point. So before niya is kaning nga part. After niya is kaning nga part. Okay? So satisfied man na ang before niya. So kaning nga part is satisfied, so therefore this part here is shaded. Shaded na diha nga part. That is until negative infinity. Sunod, ang between not satisfied, dili ra na mo hilabtan kay not satisfied man. Ang after niya, aton balikon before man eh. Before, between, dayon, after. So ang after niya class, satisfied siya. So therefore, after 3, shaded po na siya diha. This is until positive infinity. Okay? So sunod ana, human naman ni before, okay na ang before, okay na ang between, okay na ang after. Arita sa ato ang critical points. Again, we will use open interval if the critical points are not satisfied. We will use close interval ana if the critical points are satisfied. Okay, but take note nga ang opening portion ani niya is mag-atubang sa atuang shaded portion. Ha? So ang atuang opening ani niya is mag-atubang shaded portion. So here, negative 2, that is not satisfied. So open interval siya. Dara ang imong negative 2, open interval, opening to the shaded part. Ana siya. Dayon, ang 3 sad, that is satisfied. So satisfied man siya, we will use the close interval opening to the shaded portion. So for the final answer, that is from negative infinity to negative 2, union with close interval 3 until positive infinity. So that is part 2 for the solving rational inequalities.